Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to change Telegram password, and now let's dive right in. Now to change the Telegram password on your phone, first open up your Telegram app, and after opening your Telegram, guys, on this interface, in order to proceed to change your password, at the top left corner of the screen you can see there is a three-lined icon available for us. Tap on that three-lined icon, and over here when you land on this interface, you can see the settings option available for us just below the saved messages. Tap on settings, and on this interface scroll down a little bit until you can spot the privacy and security over here just below the chat settings. Tap on privacy and security, and again over here at the first you can see there is a two-step verification. Now in order to change your password, tap on the two-step verification and enter your password over here first, and tap on the blue arrow icon at the right side, and you will be on this interface where you can see you can change your password by tapping at the top of the screen where it says the change password. And from over here you'll be required to enter a new password whichever you like, and after you have entered your password, tap on the blue arrow icon at the right side of the screen and re-enter your password for the confirmation, and again tap on the blue arrow icon. And from over here you'll be required to enter a hint for you to remember the password if you ever forget it. And with that being done, guys, after you have entered your hint, tap on the arrow icon again at the right side of the screen. And with that being done, guys, your password for two-step verification on Telegram will be changed. And guys, this is how to change password on Telegram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.